today I'm going to be trying, so far I haven't found anything to hit on my dirt bike, but I'm going to be trying to find something to hit on my dirt bike. There is a spider web there. Oh well, I want to say, now that I'm starting these YouTube videos, I thought, why not give y'all guys a name? So, y'all's name is gonna be, let's see, I'll get back to y'all when I think of it. Y'all's name are gonna be the Crushers, because this YouTube channel is, I mean, it might have some video gameplay in it, but it's just gonna be, this channel's just gonna be like about me. I mean, the rest of the video is just gonna be about me getting on my dirt bike right here. It might look weird to y'all, but it runs like a dream. Yeah, y'all are gonna be called the Crushers. So, I'm gonna go try to find something to hit. We got good news and bad news. Last video I didn't have pockets, but now I'm wearing shorts that have pockets, so that's gonna be good for carrying my phone around. The bad news is, I haven't found anything. Oh yeah, also, the videos I'm making, whenever we get our metal detector fixed, I will do some metal detecting videos, because I feel like that would be fun. You probably just heard a weird wah-wah noise. That was my phone. It is going out of battery. I will see y'all once, or if I find something to hit. I got bad news and bad news. Bad news is I haven't found anything, and the bad news is I'm just sitting here talking to y'all, and I'm not looking for it. I think I'm gonna go patrol on my bike. Oh my gosh, what the heck is that? I think I'm gonna go patrol on my bike looking for something to hit. There is a grasshopper right there between my handle. Now, what in the heck is it doing right there? So if it freaking jumps on my phone. I don't know where it went. I'm gonna put you in my pocket. I'm out on patrol. I'm out on patrol. I am a goofball. There's the bits of watermelon I hit last video. I think we might just be saved. Alright. Well, I can't go the whole video without showing you anything I'm not gonna hit, but I mean, I can't hit nothing, but it's a sad little tomato. Alright, let's go find a place to put this. I think I'm gonna put it in the ant bed. But where am I gonna put the phone? I gotta hurry up, my phone's on 11%. Alright, I'm putting the tomato right here. Just keep your eye on that. Alright. Bob, are you okay? Bob, you're really slow at talking to me. How about you catch up? It's a tomato joke.